Hi, and welcome to Yee Fit Fuel. My name's Darren, and this is Jordan, and we're gonna be making egg frittatas in the air fryer today. So let's put on our aprons, and let's get ready to cook.
So here we have chopped up broccoli and 1 cup of cauliflower, and 1 cup of cheese and 4 leaves of basil and 6 eggs and salt and olive oil and avocado spray.
First, prepare our fresh ingredients. We got our 4 leaves of basil from our fresh garden, just picked and washed. So what we like to do is we're gonna take our basil leaves and put them together, all together like this. We're gonna roll them up into like a tiny roll, just like this. Just like this. Next, we're gonna prepare the eggs. So we're gonna break them up and put them into this bowl. Stir it up. Okay, we'll add a little bit of salt. And a little pepper. Then half of the cheese. Go ahead.
This much?
More. You can put more in. A little bit more. A little bit more. Just keep pouring until I say stop. Alright, that's good. Alright, once you get all this stuff mixed together, then we're going to pour it into the pan and get the air fryer preheated. Preheat for 400 degrees. So once you got the mixture all ready to go, we're going to pour it into our pan. You can also add some protein if you have. I like to put either sausage or bacon in it, but tonight we're gonna do a non-meat frittata. We're gonna spray it a little bit with some olive oil, add a little bit more salt and pepper, and then pop it into the air fryer. Alright, the air fryer has been preheated for about 2 to 3 minutes. We're gonna stick our frittata in. So it's at 400 degrees. We just stick it right here in the middle. And we're going to cook it for 20 minutes. Alright, it's been about 10 minutes. Let's check on it. Okay, as you can see, it's still a little bit of jiggly. That's good. One thing about the temperature, instead of 400 degrees, we're going to set it for 360. We're gonna pour the rest of our cheese on top. At 360 for another 10 minutes. You may add some time if it needs to cook a little longer. Alright, so it's been about 20 minutes. Let's take a look. Ooh. It's puffed up a little bit, as you can see. Let's check the middle, make sure that the center is cooked. Alright, The frittata is fresh out of the air fryer. Let's see if we can get it out of here. Okay. Alright, popped out. Added some fresh basil, sweet basil on top. Golden cheese crust
Brown.
on top.
Golden.
Alright, we took a little cross section cut here. Let's see how it turned out in the middle. See if the egg is cooked all the way through. See the egg and broccoli and cheese inside. So we just cut out. It's a good cross section. Looks very tasty. Jordan?
Good.
Tell me about it.
What is that called?
Tell me about it. So this is a cheesy crust on top. We've got cauliflower and broccoli, eggs and cheese. Is it good? That's good. I like it. Well, thank you for watching Yee Fit Fuel. This is Jordan and Darren, and our take on the egg frittata with a little modification with cauliflower, broccoli, eggs and cheese. Add your protein if you'd like. But we'd like to thank you for joining us today and hope you come back for more videos. Check them out. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Enjoy.